Hey, Justin here. Look, first impressions are super important. In under 3 seconds, the average prospect judges whether they want to work with you or not. That's true in dating, that's true in business. That's why it's so important that you put your best face forward so that businesses choose you to hire. Now, we have a responsibility here at LocalOne to help you have every chance of success possible. So imagine if we gave you everything you need to get your services out there. And I mean everything you need to establish you as an instant authority. I'm going to respect your time here and get right to the point and show you exactly what I'm talking about. First, we have 4 amazing presentations that you can tweak and edit to target your customer. Now look at these. These are absolutely amazing. These are beautiful. These are just ready for you to go. That's one. Let me show you another one here. Bada bing, bada boom. Here's another one. Look, this is just perfect. This is beautiful stuff, right? So next, we've got some killer cold email and outreach swipes. These are for emails, for phone calls, for social media. These are short, simple, and proven to get results. This is what I use in my agency right now. Now let's move on to agency branding. First, you get a WordPress theme and 2 versions of copy. This will get you up and running with a professional looking website in minutes. And of course, you can tweak it to your liking. Then we have 4 different business card templates. Short, simple, to the point. I mean, obviously you know what that is. And we have 4 letterheads that go with it. Next, we have couple invoices, couple of a standalone contract if you need it. Nothing too fancy about that, but it just makes you look professional, right? Now, finally, we've got 2 detailed proposals, one for SEO and one for web. Obviously, this is amazing looking. It's well designed. It's got copy ready for you to swap out. Absolutely beautiful stuff. Boom, bada bing. Look at this. Ready to go. Beautiful stuff. Finally, we have 100 social media posts canned and ready to go. If you have a web agency, there is a baseline of performance that you need, and these posts will angle you as that knowledgeable professional who practices what he preaches. Now, you definitely want to make sure you check this checkbox off so the clients don't write you off. Now, I know I've rattled off long enough here, but scroll down the sales page and realize the value that's in front of you. Any single one of these items will cost you over $50 to produce. Heck, this presentation right here for press releases has cost me over $1,000 in both design and copywriting. So save yourself the time, save yourself some money, and get this closer kit now. Trust me, your business is going to thank you. All right, see you on the inside.